Hey there, YouTube family! In today's video, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how to get back those YouTube videos you might have deleted in 2023. No time to waste, let's jump right in. Ever found yourself in a spot where you've accidentally deleted a video from your YouTube channel and now you're wishing you could get it back? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to walk you through the steps to do just that. First things first, click on your profile icon, which you will find at the right corner of your screen. From there, you're going to want to select the Help and Feedback option. Next, click on Send Feedback and then Get Started. Now you'll see a box where you need to briefly explain the issue you're facing. This is where you'll detail why you deleted those YouTube videos and why you're looking to recover them. Be as clear and detailed as possible. Once you've filled out that information, all that's left to do is hit the Send button. And here's the great news. Within the next 24 hours, YouTube should have your deleted videos recovered. That's all there is to it. I hope this guide helps you out. Subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful content, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, peace out.